Camp. An ode to farmers who labor in the sun to bring forth life for everyone. Their hard work and dedication can never be undone, for they are the bringers of life beneath the sun. From the planting of the seeds to the gathering of the crop, they work to make sure that no one ever stops. From the care of the animals to the gathering of the hay, they are the ones who keep us all fed each day. From the sowing of the fields to the harvest of the grain, they work so hard to keep us all fed in the rain. From the pruning of the orchard to the picking of the fruit, they are the ones who make sure we all stay astute. From the tending of the vines to the pressing of the juice, they are the ones who make sure that we never lose. From the tending of the cows to the milking of the herd, they are the ones who keep us all nourished and assured. From the tending of the sheep to the shearing of the wool, they are the ones who make sure we never feel full. From the hard labor of the farmers to the care of the land, they are the ones who keep our lives in grand. An ode to farmers who labor 'neath the sun, their hard work and dedication can never be undone. For they are the bringers of life beneath the sun. Their labor and love for mankind can never be undone. O farmers, we thank you for all you do, for providing us with food, and so much more too. You toil in the fields and nurture the land. Your hard work to us is a gift beyond grand. Your days are long, and your bodies endure. You labor with strength that is so pure. You tend to the animals with loving care, providing us sustenance so we can share. You are the backbone of our society. Your efforts are essential to our prosperity. Your courage and dedication cannot be denied. Your contributions are priceless and so highly prized. Your legacy will be forever remembered. Your impact on our lives is so tender. Your silent strength is an inspiration. Your courage and commitment are a great celebration. Thank you, dear farmers, for all that you do. Your hard work and dedication are a blessing so true. Your tireless efforts are so humbly appreciated. Your contributions to us are deeply venerated.